immediately fix that frustrating maximum game resolution drop-down missing options bug in your Steam client. If your Steam game resolution options are nowhere to be found, this guide has the precise workarounds. First, let's tackle graphics drivers. Head to Device Manager, update your display adapter, then restart your PC. This often resolves display glitches by ensuring your system has the latest visual instructions. If updating drivers doesn't restore your missing resolution options, the problem might be with corrupt game files themselves, leading us to method 2. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click the problematic game, and verify its integrity of files. This process replaces any damaged game data, a common cause for display issues. Still missing those crucial resolution options? Method 3 addresses potential Steam client data corruption. In Steam settings, navigate to Downloads, then clear your download cache. This cleans up temporary files that can interfere with client functionality. Finally, if the bug persists, Method 4 provides a direct game configuration fix. In the game's Steam properties, under Launch Options, manually input your desired resolution like Audio 1920h to 1080. This forces the game to launch at a specific resolution, often making the drop-down options reappear. You're now ready to game at your preferred settings?